welcome back to the Dream Diaries. I hope everyone is keeping safe and healthy. Today in this video, I will be introducing you to one of the reselling applications of India, that is Glowroad. Glowroad is quite famous reselling applications in India. I will be showing you how you can work from home and make 25,000 to 35,000 per month with zero investments and absolutely no skill. One of the important thing in this application is rewards. So whenever you're going to share any products to your customers or your family members or your friends, and whenever you add some products to the cart or whenever you open the application, you'll be getting some amount as a reward. So that will be going to be added to your Glowroad wallet. But you cannot redeem this Glowroad wallet directly. That means you cannot transfer this Glowroad wallet money directly to your bank account. I will be showing you how to convert this wallet cash into the actual money. So please don't skip the video and please watch till the end. And also for more informative videos like this, please do subscribe to my channel. Okay, first open your Play Store and install this Glowroad application. If not, I have already added this link in the description. You can just click on that and install it. I have already installed, so I'm opening it. Then press on Get Started. Next, verify your mobile number. And then you will have to add your username and your email address here. And click on Done. So now your Glowroad account has been created. Here you can see there are so many different categories of products which you can resell to your customer. Women, men, kids, etc. For example, I will select women here and press on continue. Now I will, firstly check my wallet balance. It's currently 0. Now I will show you how to increase this wallet balance by using sharing method. As you can see here, if you share products to 7 members or 7 customers or friends of yours, you will be getting rupees 100 in your wallet. Apart from this 100 rupees, you will get 10 rupees or 5 rupees extra wallet cash whenever you share the products to your friends. For example, I will be sharing this chicken curry kurta collection to one of my friends. So as you can see here, I shared it. So now I got rupees 10 as a wallet balance. And now if you see my wallet balance, it is 20 rupees. That is because I opened the application once again. So every day when you open the application, you will get rupees 10 as a wallet balance. That is also one way to increase your wallet money. Now I have shared the products to 7 friends of mine in the offline, and now you can check my wallet balance has become 150 rupees. That is 100 rupees for 7 friends and extra 10 rupees or 5 rupees for each and every products that is being shared. So next method of adding money to your wallet is by adding the products to your cart. For example, now I will add one of the saris to the cart. Here, I'll be adding this product to the cart. So when I add this product to the cart, also I'll be getting rupees 10 wallet cash, as you can see here. Now my wallet balance has become 160. And next you can see something called as scratch and win here. Every day you'll be getting one scratch card in which you will get some amount as a wallet cash again. There is something called as platinum membership. If you buy it, then you will be getting 2 scratch cards every day. Now I'll be showing you how to resell the products and make money. For example, now this product's cost price is 742 rupees, and if your customer opts for cash on delivery, then click on proceed, and here you can see the product price is 742 rupees, and now you will have to enter the customer price, like in the price which you want to sell this product for the user. So for example, I'll take it as 800 rupees, and now my profit margin is 58 rupees. So after the product reaches the customer's hand, Glowroad people will add this 58 rupees to your bank account. And next, you will have to enter this customer information like their name, mobile number, address and everything, and give continue so that the order will be placed. Okay, as I told you earlier, there is no option for you to transfer your wallet money directly to your bank account. So now I will be showing you how you can actually convert this wallet money into your actual money. That is how you can transfer it into your bank account. Now you can see that this product cost price is 742 rupees, and if your user opts for cash on delivery, You can see here the product amount is 742 rupees, and if you enter your customer price or selling price as 800, then your margin profit is just 58 rupees. Now what you have to do is just change this payment option from cash on delivery to pay online. uh, Now you can see that the cost price has decreased to 705 rupees. That is because 5% of this product's cost, that is cost price, will be deducted from your wallet. And that is the reason you will have to pay only 705 rupees. Now just click on this proceed and then enter the customer price. As I told earlier, I'll be selling it to 800 rupees, and now you can see that you will be paying only 705 rupees, but your customer will be paying 800 rupees, so that your profit is 95 rupees. If you select cash on delivery, you cannot redeem your wallet cash. If you pay online, then you can redeem your wallet cash, and that's how you can convert your wallet cash into your actual money. Now there is one more option called as platinum membership. If you add this platinum membership like for 3 months or 12 months, then instead of 5% you will get 7% of the wallet discount. So by using these methods you can increase your profit margin. You can also earn money by inviting your friends to Glowroad app. When any three of your friends install this application using your link and they places their first order, Glowroad will credit rupees 1000 directly into your bank account. This is not wallet cash. They will directly put 1000 rupees to your bank account. See here in the settings, you will have to enter your bank details so that they will credit the amount directly to your bank account. So this is how you can make money using this Glowroad application. For more such information regarding 100% legit websites and work from home options, please do share, like and subscribe to my channel, and also hit bell button so that you'll get notified every time I upload a video. Thanks for watching. Bye.